Alright, for this video clip, I want to show you guys a glitch that I'm sure many of you know how to do or know of already, and you usually take full advantage of it. But I want to explain this for those curious and intrigued by the video title. Or I might just end up including this as like an intro clip to an episode, so I probably would have uploaded this as a separate clip before just for people to see. But there is a special glitch that I can pull off quite easily that will allow me to farm bolts in Ratchet and Clank 1. And to do this, you need to travel to the planet Rilgar and go to Blackwater City. You go to the Raceway Plaza because here in Blackwater City there is an event known as the Hoverboard Race. And on the Hoverboard racetrack, there are dozens of crates that contain bolts when you smash through them. Now, these crates reset the instant that they're off camera, because they respawn for the next time they're on camera or the next time you make a lap. And, you know, for you to break again. So, you can actually take full advantage of this by glitching yourself through this particular wall. And if you do it right, you can go around, and I may actually need the helipack for this, because the thruster pack gives you less time to actually react. But you can glitch through this wall, go around a little domed thing. You'll see what I mean soon enough, and you'll eventually see the lights of the Rilgar racetrack. If you glide down towards it, you'll land on a particular blue platform. Landing on this platform will allow you to long glide to the track, walk on it, even though you're supposed to use a hoverboard on it, and just break whatever crates you want. They will infinitely respawn as long as they're off camera. And you use this weapon or tool, the Taunter, which is supposed to lure enemies close into traps. It also breaks crates, which is very essential for this. So here's what you do. You spam the decoy glove because it's one of the only weapons that has a physical hitbox that actually pushes you around. And you use it to push yourself through the wall. And they pushed me back through. I think I did it? Yeah. Now, this particular glitch can be kind of tricky to do, mostly because you have to pretty much time it right. And then what you want to do is you want to glide down land on this platform here. And this will allow you to land on the track. Now you just have to find a nice big part of the track.
Since you now have a zoom you can convert tricks to turbo. Press the square button to use turbo.
Alright. Now we just need to find an efficient spot. Make sure that you go in the way make sure you follow the path of the track where the starting line is, and not the way I went before. Because going this way will allow you to go on the track to farm bolts. Going the other way will actually trigger the racetrack. and you just leave it running like this for a couple of hours. So, yeah. Figured that you guys would find that interesting. Some people have already posted videos about this glitch already, but I wanted to. So,
let's go, buddy. I ain't got all day.
I accidentally bought the Devastator. So I'm gonna go ahead and show myself buying Fizz-a-Bomb gun. Oh, by the way, have you noticed my bolts? I farmed in you probably know I farmed in Blackwater City overnight.
Buddy, I ain't got all day.
And I actually have more than enough bolts to get every weapon in the game. I'm not even joking. I have way more than enough bolts to get every weapon in the game. And I don't just mean at the Gadgetron vendor. You'll see what I mean in due time. Real guy. I'm gonna go ahead and buy that Rhino. Cause, oh my god. I have more than enough weapons to buy, or I have more than enough bolts to buy every fucking weapon. You really only need about 450,000 bolts to pretty much, well, no. Well, actually, yeah, you need over 450,000 bolts to buy every weapon in the game. To be safe, we could say it's about 7,000, if you really wanted to, but I doubt it. Now, these, I'm gonna be straight up honest. All these bolts, it's not just weapons that you're gonna need so many bolts for. Ow! Don't bite me in the butt. Wallop, wallop, wallop. Wallop, wallop. So first off, ow! Hey, it's you!
This thing is heavy! Yeah, try carrying it around in your trench coat for 2 months.
Thank you, sir. We'll be sure to tell everyone about your services.
Listen, you little twerp. If you tell anyone what you saw, what we talked about,
Do I even have to say it?
you two have a nice day.
I love that he was, that Ratchet was automatically ready for that. Do I even have to say it? I'll rip you a new one. Now, the Rhino was fucking expensive for a very good reason. Because you see, this thing is ridiculously powerful. What have we got? Missing, Missing one more helipack upgrade. The Rhino was the last weapon to buy. We're just missing, what, 3 more? Yeah, if you just press the button once, even once, you fire an entire arsenal of missiles. It's the fucking greatest thing ever.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright. Can I, yeah, I can go back here. Now, honestly, when I said I accidentally bought the Devastator, I wasn't kidding. Because I actually meant to try and refill up on ammo, and I ended up accidentally buying the Devastator instead. Now, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys at this point, because I really want you all to know something. Now, you're probably wondering what all of these golden bolts I've been finding are for. Well, there's a good reason I saved up to have over 600,000 bolts. And that is because if you can find all of the golden bolts in the game, if you beat the game, you will be able to return to Novalis and purchase golden variations of certain weapons. And the golden weapons are absolutely fucking powerful. They're like major enhancements to the original versions of the weapons. I think the only ones that aren't included are things like the Rhino, the Walloper, the Sheepinator, which I think is somewhere else here. I might as well mention the Sheepinator at this point, since we've got almost all the weapons. So, definitely worth buying. And to get all the golden weapons, you'd need a total of about 450,000 bolts. Because they are very, very, very expensive. Like, altogether, you'd need over 450,000 bolts to get all of them. Or is it like 350,000? Something. And I plan on getting all the golden bolts before we fight the final boss. Alright, what do we got here?
I got some great bargains for you today.
Alright, we got everything. I guess it's because I went to visit, Planet ORXON or something that, you know, I could finally, you know, I could finally get a new weapon or something? I don't know. I know that on Planet Halven, that's where the Sheepinator is. And I think, of course, that's also where we can get rare titanium and stuff. So let's go to Quick Select. There's no pure water on Planet ORXON, so let's go ahead and switch that up with. We're definitely gonna need the Visibomb gun. The bomb glove we'll replace with the. Actually, no, we'll replace the Taunter with the Devastator. Allow me to show you what the Visibomb gun does, because I find this to be actually pretty fucking cool. Now, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna wait until after I beat the game to see what all the skill points are, so I can actually tell what it is I'm doing. So, if I just happen to remember something I can do for a skill point, I'll do it. But, here's what the Visibomb gun does, okay? That's what it does. Out of curiosity, can I actually... I'm near a Gadgetron vendor, so I can definitely risk this. Haha, missile go boom! Can I use this on a pterodactyl? I cannot. Okay, it's only on the only on the vehicles. The Visibomb gun you're definitely going to be using a lot here in one particular spot. I think if I destroy 5 of these... Also, I'm pretty sure this is a factory that Drek's father used to own. So, that's a thing. Whee! Yeah, I don't think I'm getting any skill points from that. Oh well. Where's the vendor? There it is.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, this shit can get kind of expensive. But that's where the Persuader's gonna come in handy. Yeah, I left the game running overnight so that I could, you know, farm all those bolts. Boom. Oh, I took out the force field at the same time. Slick. Oh yeah. You have like the cry of an eagle. The hell? Uh-oh. Yeah, you're gonna want to be careful around those guys. Although I have an idea. Watch this. Oh, okay, that hurts. Well, it's a good thing I know that now, because for sure that hurts enemies. Whack. I think that's an info bot. Yeah, the Visibomb gun really does come in handy here. Especially for reasons like that. And especially if you're good enough to hit them like this. Well, I didn't mean to aim it directly at you, but that also works. Bam. Bada bing, bada boom. Don't worry, I'm right next to a Gadgetron vendor, so all is good with the world. The sound of the explosion will wake them up, but they can't really do shit. Alright, no enemies over that way.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Aha! Sounds like a dying cat. Boop. Oh, this is the fun part. I love doing that. Come here, you. Ow. Whatever. No, no, no. I think it's about time I think it's about time I ripped you a new one. God, I love this weapon. Hello.
Hello again, everyone. Supreme Executive Chairman Trek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. That's why we've created this! The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of blowing an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to this ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go! Kaboom! Quite ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
Planet Hoven! Hey, that's where I need to go next. Oh, fuck. Ooh, that could have ended badly. Whew. So at least Ratchet's finally getting it. That there is more than just his own little world that needs to be saved, even though he doesn't realize it yet. Now I do believe there is an upgrade vendor here somewhere. One that will allow me to increase the amount of health I have. Should be right in here somewhere. Those things are still going. Ow. Right in here. There should be a vendor here somewhere. Where is it? Actually, yeah, we can go this way. See what's going on. I actually think... Yeah, there's another half of the area we never... Oh, no, wait, I think over around here is where, the health upgrade is. Okay, so we just gotta go over there. Also, I think there's another skill point I can get on this, I think there's another skill point I can get here. But in order to do so, I will need, you know... It's right around... Hang on. I seem to recall a particular part of the map where I have to use a visibomb in order to blow up a certain wall. Alright, let's go back to the ship, and then we can head through the other half of ORXON.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I'm good. Thank you, though. Oh, God. I actually fired that out because it was, like, startling. I'm glad I fired it, though. It hit something. Boop. I love this weapon. Good try, sucker! You're not stopping me today. Yeah, okay, so my metal detector is detecting bolts around here somewhere, but... I'd rather them be destroyed than woken up. I don't think there's any crates that have actual Rhino ammo. I think I usually have to get it from the Gadgetron vendor. I do like that they have a little symbol on it that allows you to tell what, that allows you to tell what exactly... Yeah, right here! That allows you to tell what exactly you're getting ammo for.
This is a premium nanotech dispenser. You can purchase a can to increase your maximum health.
4,000? I'll keep going until it gets too expensive. Because I want to have enough for the gold weapons.
This dispenser also carries Ultra Nanotech, the very latest in Gadgetron technology. Ultra Nanotech is 3 times more potent than Premium Nanotech.
30,000? What have I got to lose? Is that all of it? Yeah, that's all of it. Okay. So, 34,000 bolts. Not bad. I can easily get that back. Not to mention, I still have over 450,000 bolts, so definitely gonna be able to get all those glorious golden weapons. Actually, when you take into consideration how expensive some of the other weapons might be, 491,000. Okay. Only 3 more weapons, and one of them is free if I pick it up. So, less than 50,000 bolts it's gonna cost. Yeah, I'm fine. Alright, let's take a quick look here. Yeah, right here. There's like, okay, yeah. Until next time, everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, there is a, right near my ship, there is actually a particular hole that I could actually send a, Visibomb gun through. No, actually, it's actually over here. Wait, am I going the right way? Yeah, it's actually up here. But, yeah, right over here. No, through a okay. I think there's a skill point for killing a scream or a screech through a sniper hole. I'm gonna have to look that up, but if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.